ना तू बस अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रख। ये ले, ये दवाई खाना। ये हुई ना बात। चलो मेरा एक छोटा सा एक काम और कर दे, एक बार मुस्कुरा के दिखा दे। अरे मुस्कुरा देना सारा बना एक बार।
Indian team Yuva Ekta Foundation line rehearsals in hotel room 2 days before their performance in the Tramway Theatre. The actors use the technique of visualization by closing their eyes and visualizing the scenes with setup.
दवाइयाँ खाली हो टाइम पे प्लीज। चल exit.
Come.
The property setup area in the Tramway Theatre, where the team is assembling their properties. You can see the dismantled burger tree and leaves being assembled by the team. Scottish Youth Theatre. The team has got a small theatre space where they rehearse, warm up, and exercise. An actor, Amber Sahni, professionally a dancer, showing some dance moves in the break time. Punita Roy, director from India, taking warm up sessions specifically working on voice. David, a Scottish native, playing piano in the lighthouse. Lighthouse is one of the tallest buildings in Glasgow, from where you can get a view of the city. Varun, actor, rehearsing his part in the Tramway Theatre with music mentor Gayatri. Tramway Theatre. Mrs. Punita Roy is taking workshops on creating an a cappella orchestra by using the sounds created by the human body. Every country has been given a slot to conduct workshops.
Creativity is an expression of oneself. So I think it's really imperative that one's awareness of oneself, one's exploration and discovery gets deeper and stronger. For me, it began with an intent of trying to understand and discover myself more. And that actually meant that I start becoming aware of my fears. Fear for me is a big barrier.
This workshop is given by American director Sarah Rose Graber, which is on creating a scene from an image shown to them. The two teams led by Mr. Pratik and Mrs. Punita Roy performing their pieces. The play बरगद की छाव में was showcased on 9th October and received a tremendous response.
Constantly being rooted was quite powerful and kind of reflected the nature of home.
I was moved by it, but really quite touching.
I kind of cried. I'll admit that.
मुझे यकीन था, मुझे पूरा यकीन था कि वो आए। पर जब मुझे उनकी सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी, वो नहीं
When
आए।
I actually say that, when I move away from this sense of feeling lonely,
Punita Roy, director from India, sharing her views on creativity and theatre.
being, and I'm willing to now start peeling off the layers. I mean, I look at myself as this onion, wrapped around with many roles, and my roles are that of a daughter, of a wife, of a mother, etc., etc. And I can hold on to those roles as my sense of identity. I can play those roles with different kind of power equations. But when I am ready to actually start saying that if I peel off those roles with which I've defined myself, if I'm ready to come to that core, it might be emptiness initially, but I'm not actually seeing that core of energy that's vibrating there. And for me to be able to connect with that and feel safe in that space, that's been my journey in being able to become aware of the core in every other human being that I meet, irrespective of their background, of who they are, of what facade they present to the world. There is a basic human connection that one can make. And self-discovery, people talk about spirituality, or I'm a spiritual person. For me, spirituality means just a very simple acceptance of myself as a being of spirit, a being of energy, and then a physical being. This is just a manifestation of the energy. I'm actually a being of spirit. And as a being of spirit, I'm free. I'm not bound down by anything except my own fears. So when I liberate myself from those fears, I open myself to the universe, to the unconditional love that's so freely available to everybody. And that for me is my beginning, and there's no end. There is no destination.